GWorks Attributes is the new attribute computation and analysis tool from LMKR and is part of our GWorks suite of products. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use subsets of data when working with large datasets to make attribute computation faster and more efficient. The dataset loaded in my workspace is over 100 GB in size. It has about 2000 inlines and 6500 crosslines and is 3.5 seconds deep. Such a large amount of data will make the application run slower. Even navigating through the volume of such a size is relatively slow. When we start computing attributes, the effect of the large volume of data start to become very obvious. Here I'm trying to compute a simple instantaneous amplitude attribute on an inline, and you can start to feel the delay. If you have seen other GWorks Attributes videos, you will notice an increase in time in computing the attribute for this particular dataset. Applying more computationally intensive attributes, for example frequency-tuned semblance on a large time slice, will take even longer. It takes up to 7 seconds to compute semblance on a time slice for this dataset. Even though this is still quite fast, you might want to consider working with a subset of the data. This will not only improve performance when computing and displaying attributes, it also makes for a more efficient workflow by letting you focus only on your area of interest. To create a subset, click on the Area of Interest button in the main toolbar. This will bring up a dialog box where you can select your region of interest by highlighting your desired inline and crossline ranges. You can also subset the data in time by using these sliders. If you want to be more specific, use the edit boxes at the bottom of the dialog to type in the exact extents of your seismic. Click Apply to create the subset. All attributes will now be computed and displayed on the new extents only. There is a noticeable improvement in performance as we navigate through our volume. Because we are now dealing with a much smaller amount of data, even the semblance attribute does not take very long to compute on our new time slices. I'm going to add another panel and apply the tensor waist maximum curvature attribute to it, which is another computationally intensive attribute. Even when we add multiple panels and apply different attributes, we can still navigate quickly through the volume with all the attributes being computed and displayed on the fly. Here we can see a channel system going through our area of interest, and we can easily focus our efforts around this feature. Using subsets of large datasets significantly improves the time taken for on-the-fly attribute computation and visualization. It lets interpreters focus only on their area of interest without the overhead of computing attributes for the entire dataset. For more information about GWorks Attributes, please visit our website lmkr.com/GWorks. Thank you for watching.